Hey guys, the Buddhist chef here. Today we're gonna make an amazing dessert, Crème Brûlée. What is a Crème Brûlée? It's a French dessert. It's a pudding with caramelized sugar on top. That's the trick, and we're gonna learn how to make it today. All right, let's start. First, we're gonna need a saucepan, a big one. To the saucepan, we're going to add 3/4 of a cup cane sugar, 1/4 of a cup cornstarch, a pinch of salt, a pinch of turmeric for the color. Now let's stir it. Now let's add coconut milk, 2 cans of 400 milliliters each. Full fat, very important. Let's open it first. There you go. Also gonna add some vanilla extract. 1, 2, 3, 4 teaspoons. And some lemon juice. Okay, now it's time to turn on the heat. Let's switch to this guy, a fouet, as they say in France. Now we're gonna bring it to a boil slowly. We're gonna let it boil for 1 minute, just enough for it to thicken a bit. It's very important that you stir all the time. If you go answer the door, turn off the heat. Wow. Not going to the gym today. Wow, look at this. Okay, now, if you're on a diet, you're not gonna like the next part of the recipe. We're gonna add a spoonful of vegan butter. I mean, it's a dessert. I'm not gonna eat it for breakfast. Butter. What does it bring to the recipe? You can skip it if you like, but it gives it this silky finish, which is very French, by the way. But we're using vegan butter, which is even better. That's a post-training meal. When you train as hard as I do, you can indulge in a crème brûlée once every day. Maybe not every day, every other day. Oh boy, I feel so rich when I eat crème brûlée. You're going to serve it to people, they're going to be like, are you kidding me? Did you make it yourself? Yes, I'm French now. Crème brûlée, bonjour, I love you, je t'aime. There's a fly. Une mouche. How much is a crème brûlée in restaurants? Like $20? It's a ripoff. You can make it at home, vegan, for a fraction of the price. Wow! Now, let's pour it in a ramequin. A ramequin? What is a ramequin? A ramequin. It's a little bowl. Wow, look at this. Then you store it in the refrigerator until you're ready to serve it. In the fridge. Now let's wait. Now, it's been a couple of hours already. Let's see how it turned out. Oh boy. How beautiful! Magnifique. Incroyable. Okay, now, the final step. We're gonna caramelize the sugar on top of the crème brûlée with this torch. You don't want to use a torch. Put it under the grill. 2 minutes. Boom. But watch it. Okay. Cane sugar. slowly. Thank you. Beautiful, look at this. Let's add some fresh fruit. Blueberries, raspberries. It's amazing. Now, let's test it by the sound. Can you hear it? That's the test. It's amazing. Oh, so good. Thank you so much, guys. I'm the Buddhist Chef. Follow me at thebuddhistchef.com or on Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, etc, etc, etc. Bon appétit. Well, son, what's going on?